Hi, my name is Anuj Gupta, your strategic wealth partner from Tag Investments. Welcome once again to the IPO series. So today we're going to talk about the upcoming IPO, which is UTI AMC. So it opens for subscription tomorrow and it ends on 1st October. We'll see as we move ahead the details. So UTI Asset Management Company, which is one of the mutual fund houses in India, as of today we speak, we have almost 41 odd mutual fund companies, asset management companies who offer mutual fund and PMS AIF services. UTI being one of them. So just to go further into these details. So UTI AMC is the second largest AMC asset management company in terms of the total AUM and eighth largest AMC in quarterly AUM. Meaning to say, overall AUM is the second largest after SBI and the eighth largest in terms of the asset management size from a mutual fund point of view. So it opens for subscription on 29th of September and ends on 1st of October. The price band has been fixed from 552, the lower band, and the upper band is at 554. So in case if you wish to get allotment, you should obviously subscribe at the upper band or just simply tick off the cut-off price. This is the third. This is going to be the third AMC which is going to get listed. The first two being Nippon Life India Asset Management and HDFC AMC, which have already been listed in the stock market. About the issue, so it's going to comprise. It's going to be a offer for sale. So the proceeds are actually going to go to the existing stakeholders, namely SBI, Life Insurance of India, Life Insurance Corporation of India, Bank of Baroda. They are going to offload their stake, including PNB and T Rowe Price. So T Rowe Price is going to stay. So basically, why this offer for sale and why they are coming up with this IPO is because of the mandate by SEBI, which says that you cannot invest more than 10% in a particular company if you are already holding 10% stake in a other company. So all these stakeholders, namely SBI, LIC of India, Bank of Baroda, PNB, they already have stakes more than 10% in some other, maybe AMC or in some other company, and just to comply by the SEBI guidelines, they have to offload their stake and make their stake below 10%. So presently they are having 18.24% stake each of them, via which they want to offload 8.25%. So post the IPO allotment, their stakes will reduce from 18.24 to 9.99, thereby being compliant with the SEBI guidelines. So we've already talked about the objectives of the issue, the valuations, and what does brokerages say about this is that when we compare it with the listed entities, whether it is HDFC or Nippon, it is fairly valued because HDFC AMC, it's trading at 8.2%. The Nippon Asset Management is trading at 7.4%, whereas UTI AMC is at 4.6%, thereby making it cheaply valued or a fairly valued IPO. As far as the financials are concerned, so UTI AMC posted 20.52% year-on-year fall in consolidated profit after tax in the year March 2020, which is, say, a weakness in this company. But at the same time, it enjoys a higher stake in terms of the PMS and the government share, whether it is from the EPFO department, whether it is from the NPS department. Most of the assets are managed by UTI after SBI and LIC. So these are the three monopolistic stakeholders when it comes to managing AUM from a NPS standpoint of view or a EPFO standpoint of view. And even the government's money is being managed by them. So the tentative listing date is 7th of October, and one can trade one can trade these shares by 12th October. So this is going to be a tentative deadline for UTI AMC. A quick look at the DHRP prospectus. So just to give you an idea, so that if you want to know more about the company and study more about it in terms of what does it do and what are its competitors, so it's there in this DHRP. So you can actually download it from the net, and you can also find a link in the description box below. At the same time, I'll just try and show you some information related to UTI. So if we were to talk about the industry overview, if we just click here, so this industry, the GDP growth has been almost between 6.4, starting from 2014 onwards. If we were to just to see this, just a minute, I'll. So this is the GDP growth. So from 2020 to 2024, it is expected that our GDP grows at the rate of 7 to 7.3%. Barring the COVID period, we've seen a negative growth in GDP, but at the same time, once things normalize, we see a GDP growth of 7.3%. Also, in terms of the nominal per capita GDP, we see it growing at the rate of 10% CAGR. This shows a little bit about the gross domestic saving rates, at how and where India scores in front of the other countries. So net, all these things are just trying to show that the Indian savings mentality is here to stay, and UTI being one of the asset management companies which offer investment services from a pension scheme point of view, PMS point of view, or mutual fund offerings, whether it is equity, debt, hybrid. So the growth potential is here to stay, and that is where the opportunity in this IPO lies. At the same time, because there are almost 41 asset management companies, so the competition is high as far as mutual fund asset management is concerned, but it enjoys a monopoly along with SBI and LIC when it comes to asset under management for PMSs or national pension schemes. So these are the primary players where the maximum assets under management falls, with UTI, SBI, and namely LIC. So that's it for the moment. Thank you so much for the watch. In case if you wish to apply for this IPO, you need to have a demat account. You can apply through the ASBA, that is application supported by blocked amount. You just need to apply per lot. So one lot would cost you anything between 14 to 15,000. A maximum lot size is 2 lakh rupees. Maximum amount which you can apply as a retail investor is 2 lakh rupees. You can apply through the UPI or through your net banking. Demat is compulsory. In case you do not have a Demat account, we've already left a link to open a Demat account in the description box, and you may also reach out to us for any other assistance. Thank you so much for the watch. Have a good day and a happy financial life. Thank you so much.